If you didn't find what you were looking for in the Snow Isle Library's collection, we may still be able to get it for you. If you are looking for a title that is not in the Snow Isle Library's catalog, you can submit a suggestion for Snow Isle Libraries to consider purchasing that title. Customers may submit a total of 10 suggestions each month among the following material types: books, large print books, DVDs, audiobooks on CD, and graphic novels. Here's how to use the Snow Isle Library's Suggest a Purchase service. Go to snow-isle.org. Click on the Login/My Account button, and then click on Login. Enter your library card number and PIN, and click Login. Click on your username in the upper right-hand corner of the window and choose My Library Dashboard. Click on Submit a Suggestion. Enter the title, author, performer or director, and publication year, and click Next. Choose the format you would like to suggest the library purchase and make a selection for audience, content, and language, and click Next. If a match in the library catalog was found for your suggestion, you will see those listed on the next screen. If none of those are the item you would like to suggest, click Submit anyway. If no matches are found, click Submit to finish your suggestion. That's it. You have now successfully submitted your purchase suggestion to the library. The Snow Isle Library's selection librarians will review your suggestion and post an update to your My Library dashboard once they have determined if the title will be added to the library collection or not. You can check back to see the status of your suggestions in your My Library dashboard by clicking on the Suggested This Month button. The bell icon in your My Library dashboard will also indicate if you have a new notification after your suggestion is reviewed. If your suggestion is approved, the item should be added to the catalog within the month. Please monitor the catalog to place the item on hold when it appears. Not finding what you need? For titles that are not yet published, consider signing up for our Author Alerts service to get automated email or text message alerts when your favorite authors or content creators' works are added to the Snow Isle Library's catalog. For ebook or audiobook purchase suggestions, use the Snow Isle Library's Overdrive website. For out-of-print items, microfilm, articles, or scholarly research items, use our interlibrary loan service. If you have any questions, check out the FAQ section of the Suggest a Purchase and Interlibrary Loan page, or visit snow-isle.org/contact-us. We look forward to hearing your suggestions for titles to include in the Snow Isle Library's collection.